The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to make waves in the smartphone world with its anticipated 2025 release. This flagship device is generating buzz not only for its advanced technology but also for its sleek, ultra-thin design. Expected to be one of the thinnest flagship smartphones on the market, the Galaxy S25 Ultra promises a streamlined and elegant look, setting it apart from bulkier competitors. Camera system. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system is a key highlight, pushing the boundaries of mobile photography with its advanced features. At the core of this system is the groundbreaking 200MP primary rear camera. This high-resolution sensor is designed to deliver unparalleled detail and clarity, making it possible to capture images with remarkable sharpness. Whether you're photographing a vast landscape or zooming in on distant objects, the 200MP camera ensures that every detail is preserved with stunning precision. Complementing a primary camera is a 50MP ultra-wide lens. This lens is specifically engineered for capturing expansive scenes, making it ideal for wide-angle shots. Whether you're taking a panoramic view of a city's skyline or trying to fit a large group into a single frame, the 50MP ultra-wide camera provides a broad field of view and excellent image quality, ensuring that your photos are both immersive and detailed. For those who enjoy photographing subjects at a distance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with two 50MP telephoto cameras. These telephoto lenses are designed to zoom in without compromising image quality. Whether you're capturing wildlife in its natural habitat or zooming in on a distant landmark, these telephoto cameras offer sharp, high-resolution images with minimal distortion, providing a level of clarity and detail that was previously difficult to achieve in mobile photography. The camera system also includes a 12MP selfie camera tailored for high-quality self-portraits. This front-facing camera is designed to deliver vibrant and detailed selfies, ensuring that your images look clear and natural. With advanced features such as portrait mode and enhanced low-light performance, the 12MP selfie camera captures flattering photos in a variety of conditions. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra's camera system is engineered to cater to all photography needs, from wide-angle landscape shots to detailed telephoto captures and high-quality selfies. Its impressive array of lenses and high-resolution sensors make it a standout choice for mobile photography enthusiasts. Software. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will debut with Android 15 Base 1 UI 7.1, offering an advanced and fluid user experience from the start. Android 15 introduces several new features designed to enhance productivity and ease of use. With One UI 7.1, Samsung has refined its user interface, providing a cleaner layout, more customization options, and improved multitasking capabilities. This version promises faster performance, better battery management, and enhanced integration with Samsung's ecosystem of devices and services. One of the standout features of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is its commitment to extended software support. Samsung has pledged to provide 7 years of Android OS updates for this device. This is a significant advantage as it means the Galaxy S25 Ultra will receive not only the latest features but also critical security updates long after its initial release. This extended support is designed to keep the device running smoothly and securely, ensuring that users benefit from ongoing improvements and protection against emerging threats. It's an assurance that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will remain a cutting-edge device well into the future, offering excellent long-term value and peace of mind for its users. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be an exceptional flagship smartphone. With its ultra-thin design, powerful camera system, and cutting-edge software, it's poised to stand out in 2025's competitive market. Stay tuned for more updates and details as the release date approaches, and keep an eye out for further information on this groundbreaking device.